Okay, we're good. Hey, la manje tateta ngicela ngaphazamiseki mfethu. When I go. Okay. Bathi lo mhlabango wakho, appreciate your life. Ngokume apha phambi wakho, asking you to take my life. I'm in tuned with my spirit. What about you? Up here they call you a coward till they step in your shoes. Look in the sky, tell me if heaven is true. I look up and smile like me and heaven is cool. Struggle got me saying it down, boy, it's the right way. In a jungle full of predators in a hustle for a right prey. And I pray. In fact, song can we all die praying. No life I gonna insurance, I chose to live it my way. Tina, we are stuck between a rock and a hard place. Akuseko span, my uncle got stuck in a house for 9 years. Since was imeko siqala nje senza kuthanda. Nathi one day sifuna ukufana nani siphila life for sharp. So, cela ungajudge. Mina ngixinwe ngamatyala, ngama pressure ye family zama ukwenza umama proud. Yazama every day. Lomculo kasitupay egown baqoqa ipande for baniphinde nibuye bawusave me. Naba wanted education, but I guess nani kwigown wrong for my graduation. Lolisa stress daily. Akukho mnandi uphila ulithanda buze ngomso. Akukho mnandi uphila nje apha emhlabeni ungena njongo. Izolo besikwigroove eguqa ngamadolo namhlanje uxonywa ko-Facebook picture yakhe seyinehobe. It's easy for you to judge till you go through the same thing. Eminye imithwalo enzima susibona sithule singayithethi. Ngaphakathi we empty but we smile and we friendly. Ngakolight elikhandlela kuba banjwe i-depression. Umyalezo wami uthi noba ngubani suyenza into yokumjaja umuntu ungamazi cause each and everyone is going through a fucking difficult time, bro. But so as it but I chose music over everything. I mean it. If I want to learn pen up is different. Yani I mean it. Inyano no singayiphika. Ingxaki esinazo ziyafana siphefumula kodwa sifile. You know my hardest word speaks deserve. You know ngapha mashitalo it's that I deserve plenty. Ngakonjonga ukufa like I'm prepared. So malengoma and peaking ndiyavuma that I'm depressed. Yabona sizezi sitshala zinesiyezi kujikeleza nelanga isimoko okunqabe nomsebenzi thina sezi sathwalisa uxanduva wokumisa amakhaya wayo but yonke lo mizamo ingaphumeleli uzungastress wena uzungastress sisonke lo mzamo nami ndenza isithukuthezi yonke lento uzungastress mntakwecela ungastress sisonke lo mzamo nami ndenzela isithukuthezi yonke lento wena out. I'm depressed. Yo, bro, come on. On to the next one, my select. Hey, bro. We talk, I want us sithetha ngewe apha ne. Siyawumamela umculo ne, but apha sithetha ngewe esingafana sithethe ngazo. Uyabo, noba sidibene singamashita, but we don't even talk about them things, yabo. But as well, iyafuneka kuthethiwe ngazo. That's why ndithe ngiqala apha ndathi I have to touch a soul. Then go to. Let's go. Bro, igqibela ngayo le ngoma because it's fucking deep. Let's go. On to the next one. Igqibela ngayo le. Sise kancinci ke ta. So apha sise kancane nje ta. Mina I'm about lyric, I'm about pen mina. Yabo? I'm about pen. So apha ndithetha ngechomi zakho yabo. Uzobona wena bandithetha ngabani kwichomi zakho but thetha ngechomi zakho. Let's go. What you know about sleeping with the empty stomach? What you know about breaking the law just to feed your mother? I was a nix, I had to treat man like a queen. You can show the span, face the managers in Kalila Masim. I find again you, sentences over fridge. But now over man was not sending me look while fridge. Bro, I started to panic like I made a mistake. But for you, bro, I'm I'll do whatever it takes, and that's on God, bruh. Except keep your circle small, bruh, cause some friends but less circles on a little box, bruh. You know what to nyani, show me a seko iron. Unga plan the future, no gun, but you have a plan of getting high. That's another fact. Nyani is fun is dead. This run in chaba, but this show me zako zakpaganya. I try to keep my distance just to skip the violence. Stick to the grind in the situation. Come see the zama. Say we hit drama, you're taking time. I won't pinch zako, but on Facebook, thinking maybe yako clicks one eye. Shout out to Kawe, he showed me brotherly love. But we made you see no yo, the city pupanong a span. I believe them, cause battle the corner when I need them. Spanding my daughter, spanding zenos as a Spanding my daughter, spanding zenos as a cause a man and a boy on go to Facebook, Yama Bakshi, that's the way shit. That's not going to protect your energy. No bam ubomi, turn my strangers to my family. I wake up with the cup in my hand, Javas, I stick to the plan, mission accomplished, wheezing with Sangani. Sekumnyama ngivala umnyango ngithethe nejaja cause once okhelwa ziyadilika ezingamiswanga ngomthandazo. When honestly I feel clean ngathi andisena sona. It's kind of strange cause ebusuka ndilala ndilwana nemimoya utshaba lambi ujonge ebusweni ngondiliqonde ngqoko soze ukhole ubungabona amabhoza sitake kum emqolo. From people I love, they're from people I trusted. Abanena ndibancede when no one else gave a fuck, man. But it's I, bro. I guess yonke loo nto ngu-life, Joe. You get rich or die trying bangakunikile 5 bob. That's part of the struggle. Mnake kudala ndikhathaza. What you know about breaking down while you talk to your mother? Ezokubhesuka inyembe ziqamla umbombo, you can't even hug her. Man, that's painful. Inyanga is that we're not the same, bro. I've been through a lot of shit. Inhliziyo inyenkuzi pethu. Should I open it or should I close it? But man, ayivula kuwe, ndayivula, you gonna disclose it. Umyalezo uthi sithanda usigcina uzoyuzikhathalela ungavumi ukwenza isibhanqa phansi kwegama loba you understand. They'll use you without a doubt. Khuzuka, don't give up. Neli story sakhe imeko ayifani neyeetshomi zakho cause abukholwa ngabo bayokutsalela intambene ngethemba loba kwawenza ubuyizixhobe ngayo. Easy, bro, come on. It's different, bro. It's the pen, it's the pen, it's the pen. Before you go to the last one, I've done 3 tracks, now I'm 4, just 3. Okay, so I'm going to summarize a quick story, it's a true story. Yeah. So, ndicela nje nimamele kule ngoma. Ndicela anathi zolba ndiyiperforme le ngoma. I couldn't, bro, like le ngoma idinga i-crowd enje. Yabo ukuze ndiyiperform. I don't really perform. It's too personal, yabo. Le ngoma. So, I only perform with crowd. Ezokwazi umamela, yabo. Kame kancinci ta before you play it. Kaloku ufuna ukwenza nje isamari uba le ngoma ndiyibhale njani phi. So xolo kancinci mfethu, xolo kancinci. So 2009, bro, I got arrested, yabo, for murder and robbery, yabo. Engayaziyo, bro. I can guarantee you, bro. Dangayazi noma nzayixoxa njani la we. But ngemfefe zemali ndaqabuka, yabo. But le track nayibhala eGaun ePosmo, yabo. So it's too deep. So ndicela nje indlela. Easy. Ndicela ta, wherever you are, just stop talking, just listen ta. Yabo. Let's go. Ihlise kancinci ta nje. Ixesha lifudukile likhula ndihlele emakhamandeleni. Thinking of why you always say life is precious to live. Ndenzile kwacaca, but people don't wanna see changes. Why do we live? Xa bobomu sikhwele enhloko kuba zange ndicinge. Imeke etyhile umfanekiso ngqondweni nomane kucinywa. Zizigcole ezihlale zibambekisa ubomi. Life is a walk in the park. I never trust those words. All I'm hearing is a whispering voice stuck in my nerves. Remember me, buddy. So we again in this place. Some folks gave up on me like I was a bad influence. Uzondikhumbula njani, but you never gave me a chance yokuzikhuphula ndizithuba lokohlulela uthando. Sombathisana imvisiswano sivane sibo lusapho. Lo ngoma ikhokhela by tears of my inner soul bleeding. So abambe la magama when it's time to make decisions. Now my heart is getting weaker. Lo mthwalo uyasinda. So show me love. Okamamazali ndiwa yinimba. Ngathi ndiyaziva xa ndityalwa ngabahlobo kunzima. Xhathalaza kuphela ithembe Posmo. Mane njijisa uthi mathini na. When life is turning upside down, uzokhumbula na. Or will you be against my side? Take it from me. Nisenhlungwini hleli nesiqala. Uzungikhumbule ngalomini olithela sisuka lahlala. Uzungikhumbule. Uzungikhumbule. Will you remember me for all the things that I've done? Will you remember me? Will you share my love amongst you when I'm not around? Or will you retire? Will you remember me? I didn't mean to turn your faith down. Chase your chances, same time. Blessing will arrive, but life is always there, so make love. All these things are hurt now. Always late to wake up and touch a corner when I fall. And I'm feeling all alone. Thixo ngicela uxolo if ndomoshile life ngiba ngapha kuwa ngapha, things are falling apart. I sometimes feel like dying but phinde ndihloniphe ubawo. But guess what, I've already died. Kwaphela ithemba all my heart, so naphela ithemba okwehle uphethe sonke singenanto. Ingabe uyongikhumbula nyani na when I'm not around, okanye iyonifuna songenathuba lomuntu mfumana. Le ngoma ichochozela umphakathi womphefumulo wami, mhlambe nakhetha ubumnyama instead of taking the light. Why do I suffer ngathi nakhuliswa ngentshwela? Why uthando nqongophele ndiske ndaphela ithemba? Ngathi ndiyaziva ndivika kubitshaba ziyaphindisa ndiyaphambila kukujika. Mama game in this life sakhula hlupheka kanzima, ikhaya lifudumele ngoku kuba izinto bazilungisa khusi nakhusi elingena ingqele apha endlini yalivala. Now the things are going smoother now, ikhona into yocanda siyakulela mama kuba lingatshoni ungena zame zama nawe please ungazixhomi ngele ntambo kuba uyawusola litshona ilanga lingekasithwa inyanga, likutshonela ilanga lingekasithwa inyanga. Nawo umbuzo wami uthi, will you remember me for all the things that I've done? Will you remember me xa igqutha kuphela iminzi obumnandi? Will you share my love amongst you when I'm not around? Or will you retire xa kunzima uzixhome ngentambo? Will you, hey, goodness ungatyhafi indoda, chase or chances same time. Blessings of life, but life is always there, so make love. Uzandikhumbula nanxacula, all these songs I hate now. This song is for all those who were blind but now can see. I wrote it and passed it to a bunch of people. This song ligwitsho le-Afrika iphela madoda, somhla yasuswa endlebeni zakho uhambe uyicela le ngoma eculo lithi goduka mntana xa ungxamela ukubhaca kuba ikhaya likhaya noba mhlambe nithixwa ndlala. This song is a creation kuba uthixo wayidala. Le ngoma ibhalelwe emalini nakugqina uba zizinana. Uzundikhumbule ngale ngoma please, ugcine uyiphathe kahle, uzungayifaka ushinge namntu okosana olala phandle. Take this song brother and make it a part of a family. It's on baba, zonceda ungayicimi ungekayimameli. Danisa ngenhliziyo ukhumyalezo swiphi isiphatho kuba kwehlala ihlelo kwesiphambi kwehlula ilali. Remember me as a writer kuba gxotha ubhathi nami undikhathalele ndoda uhlala ugcino kwalabhathi. I'm done.